Hi guys, welcome to Hybrid FX, and my name is Hybrid, and I'm super excited to bring you guys this new video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how best to trade a consolidating market. As you can see on my screen, I try to identify a consolidating market, and right now I'm going to show you how best to trade a consolidating market. Now, there are two ways to trade a consolidating market. First, is to is to be very patient. When I mean very patient, in the sense that um, actually, what does a consolidating market means? As you can see, I'm on the 4 hour chart on the deriv, and like I trade crypto, I trade deriv, so I'm on the 4 hour chart on 25. So this is a consolidating market, as I've just drawn here on my screen. This is a consolidating market. So what is actually a consolidating market? A consolidating market is a market that is going in a vertical direction. Like it's going from like the entry point, like from the eye of the consolidation back to the low of the consolidation, as you can see. Like it's just going in a zigzag manner in a vertical direction. It is not really going up, it is not going down, it is not really going up, it is not going down. If you find yourself in this situation, if you find yourself in this particular trade, please do well to exit as a beginner. But if you are an advanced trader, you can pick it at the low and at the high. What does it mean? But the best way to actually trade, let me not to don't let me waste your time. Let me just head straight to the best way trade to trade market consolidation. All you need to do is to wait and be patient. Do not trade. To keep your capital, do not trade, because market consolidations are gamble trades. So do not gamble with your capital. The best thing to do when you see market consolidating is to wait for a breakout. As you can see, as you can see here on VIX 25 on the 4 hour chart, the market was consolidating massively. You know, it was consolidating massively, as you can see, consolidating. It went up, came down, went back to the high, came back into the box, then went back up. You understand? So this here, right here, is a breakout, because the market obviously broke out of the consolidation trend, and then it came back to do what? It came back to retest on the high of the trend. As you can see, the market came back to retest on the high of the trend. So that is the best way to wait for an entry. You know, if as I was a trade as I traded this pair, and I personally, what I did was I just came to situate myself at this place. They went to my 15-minute time frame, and then took an entry from there. And as you can see, it has market has been buying all the way. Market has been buying all the way. The same goes for a reverse. Just imagine, instead of the market going breaking out of the eye of the consolidation, instead of the market breaking out of the eye of the consolidation, the market sold all the way down. Imagine the market sold all the way down, came back out, broke the low of the consolidation. I would have waited for a retest, and then once I saw that market has retested on that place, and I see some sign of weak rejection, market is not entering back into that zone, I'll just come here and situate myself for a sell. And once you see a breakout and retest, like, you just know that the market is going to sell off massively in a trend like manner. It is as simple as ABC. The market is going to sell off massively in a trend line manner, just like it has done for the bullish version. So that is the best and very best way to trade a trend. But if you can't wait, because this is a 4 hour chart, the market will have spent days and weeks to make this consolidation, and you are the type that maybe you only trade one pair. Like me, like you trade just this 25, and you want to at least be making some money on a daily basis. The best thing to do is to just, once you see that whenever price gets to the once you see that whenever price gets to the low of the consolidation, or it gets to the high of the consolidation, as it has happened here, you pick the opposite of the trend. Yeah, you understand? So for instance here, price has gotten to the low of the consolidation. What is the best thing to do? Go over to your 15-minute time frame, then search for entry confirmations, like weak rejections, end pattern, telling you to go for a long. and then you go for a long, like you can see, like I've done that already. I've done that already. I picked this particular trade and I took it to the next eye of the consolidation, which is here. This is the eye of the consolidation, and then I up out. So that is literally how to trade. If you notice in this place, if you notice in this place, let me zoom in here. If you notice in this particular place, price broke out. If you notice around here, price did a false breakout. It bought all the way to this high, and then let me zoom in so you can see here. Price bought all the way to the high, then like price actually broke out of the trend. Everybody will have, every trader will have thought that, actually this is a break of the trend, and then the price is going to keep buying from here, just like I explained in this case. Like, maybe, sorry about that. Everybody would have thought that, price will just continue buying from, price will just come back and do a retest around this place and continue buying. But no, price didn't do that. That is why price action is very important. Like, knowing where your price is telling you, like price is telling you to do. Because the price actually did was that after breaking out, it came back into the zone. As you can see, came back into the zone, and then start selling massively all the way down again. Do you get? And if you look back inside, let me still zoom in a bit more. If you look back inside, price came back into the zone, and then there was massive weak rejection to the downside. So having a breakout and retest strategy alone is not enough. You should know the direction of the trend. Even, you should know where your weak rejections are pointing to. For instance, here right now, price broke out of the trend, and then weak rejection, it came back into the consolidation, then your weak rejection was telling you to sell. So if you're a smart trader at this point in time, all you need to have done was just to situate yourself somewhere around here, and then you go in for a sell on your 15-minute time frame, because your 4 hour time frame is not where you're supposed to be selling. You're supposed to be selling on your 15-minute time frame. So as you can see, you set your stop loss way a bit above, a bit above the range, like the range. As you can see that I've done my a bit above the consolidation high, and then you take it back to the next low. It's as simple as that. Well, it's not that easy, but then just logically that is what you need to do. So this is literally how to trade a consolidating market rather. So if you don't know what a consolidating market is, if you still don't know, let me know in the comment section below. Let me also know if you have any questions at all. Please do well to smash the like button and also subscribe to this video. Tell me down below in the comment section if you've subscribed. Tell me saying I've subscribed, and also request a video that you like me to make in the future, and I will do that for you. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next video.